Yo, what's up guys? It's still your boy Amon White. Today I'm breaking down a step-by-step cold calling script that will help you sell your digital services like a pro. We're diving deep into the psychology of closing deals, crafting the perfect pitch, and handling objections like a boss. If you've ever struggled with cold calling, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say, how to handle objections, and how to close deals fast. Stay locked in. Let's go. Before you even think about picking up that phone, we gotta make sure you're prepped and ready to win. We're talking about having a game plan so solid it would make a 5-star general jealous. First things first, you need a targeted list. Don't waste time calling just anyone. Focus on businesses that actually need your services. Next up, a clear, concise offer. You need to be able to explain your service in one sentence like a boss. Lastly, and most importantly, a confident mindset. Rejection is part of the game, but you gotta focus on those wins, baby. Alright, you've got your list, your offer is razor sharp, and your mindset is on fire. Now let's talk about that crucial first impression, the opener. The first 10 seconds of your call will make or break the deal. You gotta sound smooth, confident, and far from salesy. Instead of that cheesy, "Hey, wanna buy my product?" approach, try this, "Hey, name, this is your name from your company. I know you're busy, so I'll keep this quick. I just had a quick question. Are you currently using online marketing to get more clients?" Boom. Just like that, you've started a conversation, not a sales pitch. Now that you've got their attention, it's time to reel them in by tapping into their needs. Remember, people buy solutions, not products. Instead of launching into a sales pitch, ask a smart question that gets them thinking about their pain points. Try this. Are you happy with the number of leads and sales you're getting? Or do you feel like there's room for improvement? See what you did there? You subtly highlighted a potential problem they might have without directly criticizing their business. Chapter 4. Present your offer clearly. Alright, they've admitted they need help. Now it's time to swoop in with your amazing service. But remember, keep it simple, results driven, and avoid technical jargon. Instead of saying, "We offer cutting-edge SEO optimization," try this. "We specialize in getting businesses like yours more customers every month through targeted online marketing. For example, we recently helped a local coffee shop increase their online orders by 30% in just 3 months. Would you be open to a quick chat where I can break down exactly how we can do the same for you?" Chapter 5. Booking the meeting. Call to action. Remember, the goal of a cold call isn't to close the deal right then and there. It's to secure a meeting where you can really wow them. So instead of pushing for an immediate sale, make it easy for them to say yes. With a low pressure call to call to action. Try this. "I don't want to take up too much of your time right now. How about we schedule a quick 15-minute call where I can share some strategies to help your business grow? Does daytime work for you?" Chapter 6. Handling objections like a pro. Now let's face it, not everyone will be jumping at the opportunity, no matter how amazing your pitch is. But don't sweat it. Objections are just opportunities in disguise. When you encounter resistance, the key is to stay calm, address their concerns head on, and keep that conversation flowing. For example, if they say, "I'm not interested," don't just give up. Instead, try this, "I understand. Have you tried digital marketing before and didn't see the results you were hoping for? Or are you just not looking into it right now? Ultros start closing more deals today, and that's the step-by-step cold calling script to sell digital services. Remember, confidence is key. Believe in yourself, your services, and the value you bring to the table. Follow these methods: confident opener, smart questions, clear offer, strong CTA, and objection handling, and you'll start closing more deals fast. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and let me know which part you are gonna use first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next video. Catch you in the next one. Peace.